Here are 10 detox drink recipes. Nimbu Pani, lemon water, detox drink. Ingredients: water, lemon, honey, mint leaves, cumin powder. Method: squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass of water. Add a tablespoon of honey, a pinch of cumin powder, and a few mint leaves. Stir well and drink. Panna, raw mango, detox drink. Ingredients: raw mango, jaggery, cumin powder, black salt, mint leaves. Method: boil the raw mango until it becomes soft. Peel off the skin and blend it with jaggery, cumin powder, black salt, and mint leaves. Add water and blend until smooth. Serve chilled. Jeera Pani, cumin water, detox drink. Ingredients: water, cumin seeds, mint leaves, lemon juice. Method: boil a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a glass of water. Add a few mint leaves and simmer for a few minutes. Strain the mixture into a glass and add lemon juice. Drink it warm. Ajwain Pani, carom water, detox drink. Ingredients: water, carom seeds, lemon juice. Method: boil a teaspoon of carom seeds in a glass of water. Strain the mixture into a glass and add lemon juice. Drink it warm. Haldi Doodh, turmeric milk, detox drink. Ingredients: milk, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, honey. Method: boil a cup of milk and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Add honey to taste and drink it warm. Ginger lemon detox drink. Ingredients: water, ginger, lemon, honey. Method: grate a small piece of ginger and add it to a glass of water. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and add it to the ginger water. Add honey to taste and drink it. Green tea detox drink. Ingredients: green tea leaves, water, honey. Method: boil a cup of water and add a teaspoon of green tea leaves. Let it steep for a few minutes. Strain the mixture into a cup and add honey to taste. Drink it warm. Apple cider vinegar detox drink. Ingredients: water, apple cider vinegar, lemon, honey. Method: mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Add the juice of half a lemon and a tablespoon of honey. Stir well and drink. Beetroot detox drink. Ingredients: beetroot, carrot, apple, ginger. Method: peel and chop 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, and 1 apple. Add them to a blender along with a small piece of ginger. Blend until smooth and drink it. Cucumber and mint detox drink. Ingredients: water, cucumber, mint leaves, lemon. Method: slice a cucumber and add it to a jug of water along with a few mint leaves. Let it infuse for a few hours in the fridge. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and add it to the water. Serve chilled.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.